Kublai pi baru agini kilongi kubor bam takasngi. UMP Saleng Isangma Nagatura Parliamentary Constituency hakasngi palai ulalet iakynduh yaulat kejela Meghalaya CHV Jaya Shankar Haraj Bahawan ban Ukraine halor kejingi lekai kabrang layat Shakman Shaphang kejingla ajunginan tribal ban aireng hak election ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC. Habakren chikinong tho kubor hadin kejingelang usaleng isang maulo ang baula pensngo sya ulat ikijing sngokia kibalami na kibabun ki kinhun pai ba Hagaru Hills halor ki bentaan bat riti sinchar ki bade kejing ailat ikinon tribal banyakun election hak district council. Ula batai bagani gamat kelanil aslem bha namar ba omdan ki kendon ki bala penbet syai karkum kejing ongjong ula daladan lupa ki rule ki babiang hagis nem lalinyo. Kani kejing e baminta kelaban ommi. UMP ula batairu bagi Autonomous District Council ki trekam hapo ki kendon jungka 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. Kaba ai yaki karukam sinshar kaba kerpang bad kajinglat luat ha sinshar snong sinshar thao. Nrai ulo ong badan kaman pensyai lane penkalai ki katu kat ni ki rule ki biade karukam penyaj ya ki election. Shushu usaleng ulo ong ba ulat. Ula ai jingkular ba on sapet bniah bhai kani kamat kat kum ki kendon jungka riti sinshar bad ki rule ki baladan. Ulong ru bala bandan kam bania selok berkiriu syempang an berkikin hun ki badan bentah gani ka kam syua ban shimrai. UMP ula kerpat ru iki pait ba ke Meghalaya ban penne e ka jing syong shngan ban om sya ya lambakla daki kubor bam dei ne ki jing persang san perthei ban wan ra jing kulmar. Ula penpau ba jela kadang long ka syong suk bat ukentu iki pait ba ban wat e kalat ban penbet e gani kaman ling ba ka jing Ukraine berkelinti ki bakat kum kaan. Ula ai kublai ru iki pulit but ke district administration nama ke jingla jungki ban pet ngor bhai ke jinglong jingman but ban penne eka law and order ha ki jaka ki bala ban mi jing e saleng isangma ula pen pauru bakindang beteng ke jing selok berkinong elam shnong ki riu shempang berkiwe ki benta pat ba banwat eka lat ke babiang but ke ban islam ban penbet ekne gaman ha ke ju kapor ke jing ele kai helor ke jing tap nomination Jengkinan tribal ban aireng hagi election ka GHADC kelawan ra ke jeng persya aki benta papir ke Garo Hills haga babun ki kinhun pat ba ki dawa ban pensyai yaki kendon an ki biadai berki eligibility ban aireng hagi election district council.
Hello? Maybe that is a little bit
At least how to handle the situation right now, whichever the issue that has been cropped up in Garo Hills. The main was the 6th schedule, so we have talked about it very much in length, how to go with the procedural correct way. And another one is that about the border issues, how these Rohingyas are entering not only our state, even other parts of the international border also. So those things, and then moreover, at present actually, how to bring this turmoil into peace, okay, and how we will try to make our youth who is already agitated about the situations, about the 6th schedule area, why the non-tribal, are coming in between. So likewise, we have talked in very much in length, and then I have already asked him to put 1-2 more security camped like CRP, and then if we can put another sorts of forces in those areas where our people will be impacted. So the situation has been handled by everybody. Why I am saying everybody is that everybody is involved by everyone. Even the preachers, fathers. I want to thank our bishop also, who is praying for our people to come back into peace, and then even the reverends, everyone, every citizen of Garo Hills is praying that this situation is handled in a way that should be handled, and peace should come to our state, and then nobody should fight with anybody. And then the right which is given to the tribal people should not be snatched. And then since there was no such rule in place, that particular procedure we have to follow and then see what we can do. definitely I'll go back to Garuhills and discuss this matter with all my senior leaders, advisors, and then I'll definitely meet with my people and then see what we can do. Because right now, personals, the police department, who has handled the situation very, very nicely. Otherwise, it might have gone out of hand. And thanks to the police department and all the other departments who are involved, especially in taking care of the situations and then bringing, at least calming the situation right now. Actually, governor is very much in view of the rules. Okay, if the rules is in place, then definitely these things would not have happened. Okay, but since the rule has not been adopted by the district council, that's why this thing has been, the lingering for many, many years. If the rule was framed already from before, then we need not have to face these particular consequences that has happened. Okay, that's why governor has told us that you go back and see how to go about with the rules, procedures, and then what kind of amendment that should be done. We will discuss with the people. Government is with the people. He's for peace, and then he's for the people. So governor is very much positive to whatever we will do. He is not, because you see, 6 schedule is for the people, for the tribal, and everybody knows it, and everybody should know it, because the fundamental right that we are talking about, okay, you cannot coincide with that particular 6 schedule, because 6 schedule has totally a different structure. It has its own autonomy. So that's why the district council has to come up with the amendment and the rules, and even the electoral college should be framed by the district council itself. That way one day maybe we might be able to do so. Thank you. I won't say press right now, because the law will take its own course, because whoever has already created this particular situations right now, I think one has to take responsibility actually regarding why the situation has cropped up at the very instance. Otherwise, Garuhills right now is a peaceful place. Even Meghalaya is a peaceful state right now. So, looking at the whole scenario, somebody might have instigated someone to do something, because you never know whether it's politically or motivated, or maybe somebody wants to take advantage of the situation. So, let's pray everything is fine. To whom you right now, it's the rule which was not framed earlier, because our seniors, they have not foreseen what would have happened. Okay, what would have happened now because of their carelessness. So this is the things that is happening. So we don't want it to follow in the future. So that's why we are going to have a word with my people out there, and then with the seniors, with the elders, with all the intellectuals who may be able to give us the advice how to go about.
What was your view of the